Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 64. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we're stationary at the top of Lombard Street, overlooking its famous twisting, steep roadway. Lombard Street is one of the most photographed locations in San Francisco, known worldwide as the crookedest street in the world. From this vantage point at the top, between Hyde and Leavenworth Streets, you look down a slope that drops steeply towards North Beach and the bay beyond. The crooked section was constructed in 1922, designed as a solution to the natural geography. Russian Hill's steep grade made the street here nearly impossible for cars to climb or descend safely. City engineers decided to soften the grade by inserting 8 tight switchbacks, creating the curved path we see today. The idea was practical, but it quickly became a visual icon. The red brick paving was added later, giving the street its distinctive look. Flanked by lush gardens and carefully maintained flower beds, the curves of Lombard are as much a horticultural display as a roadway. The residents who live along this block take pride in maintaining the gardens, even as they contend with millions of visitors who come here every year. From this spot, you can see the Bay Bridge and Coit Tower in the distance, framed by the houses and greenery that line the curves below. Cable cars pass by on Hyde Street just above, adding another layer of classic San Francisco imagery to the scene. Although dubbed the crookedest street, Lombard is not technically the most winding road in the city. Vermont Street is, and has tighter curves, but it's certainly the most famous. Its combination of scenic views, steep grade, and elegant design has made it a symbol of San Francisco's unique character. That concludes today's episode. A pause at the top of Lombard Street, where history, engineering, and scenery come together in one of the city's most recognizable landmarks.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.